Okay, this one's a little more complicated, but we're going to say we have $24 times 26 because we know that's the poppy seed price times the poppy seed pounds. And then we have $13 per pound of clover, but we don't know how much clover we need for the mixture. So we're just going to use the variable, the letter Y. And then we know we want the whole entire mixture to be $20.70 per pound. And it's going to be when that has both the poppy seed and the clover. So I can turn around and put the 26 for the poppy seed right there. Okay? I'm going to multiply 24 times 26 to get 624. Multiply 13 times Y to get 13Y. I'm going to multiply 20.70 times 26 to get 538.20. And 2070 times a positive Y, which is going to give me 2070Y. I'm going to take this off of both sides because I want my variables on one side of the equal sign, and then I want my numbers without the letters, which means without the variable, on the other side. This will clear out, and I'm going to end up with a negative 7.70 Y, and then I'm going to take the 624 off of both sides. I'm going to end up with a negative 85.8. Then I have to divide through by the negative 770 on both sides. And I'm going to end up with Y equals 11.14285714. When I round it, the clover pounds for the mixture would be 11.14.